Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about another hard stock that is associated with biopharmaceutical market, so to say, and I'm highly bullish on this stock. It's a penny stock, by the way, so stick around because I think you're gonna like this video as well. Welcome back. So let's get right into the stock that I want to talk about today. The stock is called Rdhl Biopharma. As you can see here, today it's almost 3% up. The thing that excites me about this stock, and because of which I'm highly bullish on this, is that it has three main catalysts that it is looking up to in the near future. And two of these catalysts are drug candidates against COVID-19. And both of them are, one is actually in phase 2/3 trial, while the second one is in phase 3 trial. And the third candidate that they have is also against, I believe it's neurodegenerative disease, but I will have to show this to you. So let's get into the article in which it has been described that, so they have three drugs with approval, including Movantek, a treatment for opioid-induced constipation. So a side effect, it's a common side effect once you use opiate, you have a constipation. And against this, they have a globally commercialized product called Movantek, which is at this point not being used in Europe, Canada, and Israel, but in the rest of the world it is already commercialized. The second product that they have is Talicia, a treatment for H. pylori infection, bacterial infection, a common cause of stomach ulcer, which received FDA approval in November of 2019. By the way, this had a massive effect on the stock price, those two news that when these two products became commercialized. And the third product that they have, which is already in the market, is called Mcolo, which is for treatment against traveler diarrhea, and this also has exclusive use in the US, by the way, the third one. So those three drugs saw growth in prescription as well as market share during 2020, and in the full year results, Rdhl reported top line revenue of 64 million with a gross profit of 27.5 million. In March of this year, the company reported having 100 million in cash on hand. Tells you how much potential this company has in the near future and how much money they have so that they can invest it on their drug related activities to enhance their share price, or so to say company's solidarity and the fundamentals. Further in this article, it is said that having plenty of cash and profitable product line puts Rdhl in a solid position, just like I mentioned, to continue its development activities. The company has several novel therapeutics in the pipeline, has potential treatments for COVID-19. I already talked about this. These include opaganib. So I'm going to quickly go through this so you have better idea. Of course, you should always do your own research as well. So in the article it is said that these include opaganib, which is an ongoing phase 2/3 study on hospitalized patients, RHB 107, which is also an ongoing phase 2/3 study, but for non-hospitalized patients. And the clinical pipeline also include RHB, which is a phase 3 trial as treatment for pulmonary, I said neurodegenerative, so I was wrong about this, NTM disease. All of this caught the attention of analyst named Raghuram Selvaraju from HS Wainwright, who titled his initiation of coverage report on this stock a trifecta of products with a pipeline punch. So his point of view was that from our vintage point, Rdhl is building the next leading gastroenterology focused specialty pharmaceuticals franchise in the US market, which also advancing an extensive pipeline of rapidly maturing drug candidates in an area of fields including oncology, respiratory conditions, and infection disease. That was mentioned by Selva Raju. So overall, there are some hard catalysts for this stock. It's a penny stock, by the way, and at this Price, I think it's a massive catch. I personally think, just like here, if you look at the top analyst point of view from Wall Street, which sees this stock as a $19.60 stock by end of this year, that is 166% upside potential, considering it a strong buy with five buys and no hold no sell, tells you this is a really good opportunity. Please make sure to do your own research, but I'm highly bullish on this stock and I'm considering to add this into my portfolio from this coming Monday on. So that was my brief video for you about another penny hard stock that I see a lot of potential in based on those three catalysts that they have. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and as well as hit the notification bell so you get notified immediately when I release my next video. I will see you soon.